everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to make a gluten-free wrap or tortilla or whatever you want to call it. I've run into many times where I'll be making something for my kids and we'll make like burritos or falafel wraps or something of that sort, and I don't have anything unless I want to buy something that's super expensive from a store that tastes like cardboard. So I came up with this recipe and I like it, and hopefully you'll like it too, but it's super simple and yeah, gluten-free wrap. So let me go ahead and walk you through this recipe. Cut.
What's the one thing you said at the end?
What?
Let's go ahead and get started.
Oh, let's go ahead and get started. All right. So first I have a little bit of buckwheat flour. Now buckwheat is gluten-free. Some people can handle it, some people can't. So I'm going to do equal parts of buckwheat flour and brown rice flour. Now if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of flax meal to this too, and that's really good in it. Teeny tiny bit of salt. And a teeny tiny bit of olive oil, just a little bit. And then I'm going to add some water. Now you can add spices to this if you want. You could add tomato paste and it would be like a tomato type wrap. But I don't always have time for that, so I just try to keep it simple. So you want to add just enough water to form like a paste. Maybe a little bit thinner than a paste. An exact amount of water is kind of hard to come by because sometimes the flour is older, so it has less moisture in it, and then you need to add a little bit more water in it. All right, so that's about the consistency you want. It just kind of pours readily off the spoon. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna put this onto our hot griddle. All right, so my pan is heated up and it's on about medium-ish, just below medium, but it's nice and hot. So I'm just gonna pour all this onto the pan. But you want to make sure that your pan is hot, otherwise this is going to stick like crazy. And then you want to spread it around nice and thin. And this is why you wanted it to kind of runny, so that it's much easier to spread. And you want to definitely do this in like a non-stick type pan, or like this, you want to make sure it's hot, because if you spray like oil on it, when you do the spreading, it's just going to like move around on you. You won't be able to spread it very well. So I'm going to let this cook until the top of it is dry, and then I will flip it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check it, and my pan is hot. So, yeah, perfect. All right, let it cook for maybe 30 seconds on this side, and then I will be done. All right, there we go. A delicious gluten-free tortilla or wrap.